Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone or your iPad. AirDrop is a popular feature among Apple users, allowing them to quickly and easily transfer files between their devices. However, when AirDrop is not working, it can be incredibly frustrating. Fortunately, you can take a simple steps to fix the problem and get back to seamless file sharing. So I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. So let's start the video without wasting any time. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing, you should go for enable AirDrop for all recipients. So while using your iOS device, open your settings, scroll down and tap on general and then tap on AirDrop. Ensure AirDrop is not restricted to contacts only on the senders and recipients devices. This option is the most common culprit for AirPod issue. And the next step is restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. Open your control center and then tap on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to turn it off and on again. And the next step is disable content and privacy restrictions. You can try to send files via AirDrop. If the problem persists, then head back to your device settings, click on it and then scroll down and click on screen time. Scroll down and here you have the option of content and privacy restrictions and you just need to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is update and restart iOS device. You just need to go to your settings, click on it, scroll down little and then click on general and here you have the option of software update. Click on it and download the latest update in case there is one available to you and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this you just need to go to your settings, click on it, scroll down and then click on general and here scroll down and here at the end you have the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and then click on reset and here you have the option of reset network settings. So just click on it and reset your network settings and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your problem and also let us know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.